Forget that. How many transmissions have you broke? I only broke
Never
one.
a first.
I only broke
7 transmission. I has never broken a first.
Right.
700 horsepower. Never broken a first.
I broke first.
24.5-inch slicks. Never broken a first.
Yeah. Yeah. Then he's like. Hawkeye back in with a clean shave and his little Hitler mustache.
You know, porn stash.
Did it both fell off? All right. Well.
Loose and shook out.
Yeah, look at the timing belt. It's way too tight.
Found it.
It's
Stripped.
Bro.
You don't have the clips.
main one.
You don't have the clips.
No, this is broken. One X-Man.
You just gonna. All right. Can you fix this car, bro?
It's a 91.
I don't care.
Hawkeye built this car. This is Hawkeye's build.
Yeah. That's why just stuff's popping out. The injector clip just popped off.
I'm just
How
kidding.
many motors you went through? Shut your ass.
Ooh, we call you out. Your motors be blowing, bruh.
Okay.
He's like, why your motor blow?
It's the problem. We're not trying to build his car. He's trying to build. We're helping him with it, but he's got to do the.
I know. I'm gonna tune this thing. I'm gonna do.
Exactly.
I'm getting frustrated because things just don't work.
Alright.
Nah, just leave it like that. You know, and watch the dang
About that, bro.
windshield. You can go blind down the street.
I think you should lock it.
Why, fool?
I think it's off.
You don't go over 30 miles an hour, fool. First start, baby. First drive. How far do you think he makes it?
Down the street.
You got any air in his tires?
Down flat.
There you go.
This is the first time in 4 years that it's moved out of that parking spot.
All right, slow down, you asshole. You don't boost on it. Don't boost. Hey, dickface, what did I say?
It was 35. I can't see.
I'm hearing the turbo boost. I'm like, how the hell is it?
It wouldn't pass like 445.
He was trying to go back to the future on their asses. Like, when this puppy hits 55 miles an hour, you're gonna see some shit.
He's leaking. He doesn't care. He's just like, yeah, I want to freaking drive it. He needs to fix his car for real, but your car's working, bro.
Oh, I can drive it in. Sick. Back it out.
How long has it been? This car.
2 or 3 years now.
More like 4. I mean,
Oh.
I haven't put them on.
Oh, we haven't put him on yet.
Because.
Yo, shout out. It's weird
Oh
because
shoot! Hold on. So, do you know who this is, or?
I don't. It was weird. It had a card on it,
Okay.
and it was like, but it was like a girl, and it was like, I don't know if she's the one who printed it out for the guy who sent it, because on the package it was a dude's name, but
Okay.
then in the inside it was like a girl's card.
Whoever this is, reach out to us in some way, shape, or form.
We
or
got a little
through
something
video,
for you.
whatever. Yeah, we want to know what's up, cause this.
But I need to reach out to whoever did this. Reach out
We need more
because
for the cooker. We need more for the widow. We need more for our personal vehicles.
and if y'all want some,
And if you guys want some,
you know,
of course, like and subscribe. Let us know.
we can give
message
these
us.
out, and we put it in our store,
Yeah.
sell it.
So I didn't have no. I want to see how it peels too.
Do the peel slow. Do the peel
Because it
slow.
looks good.
Oh, that was a test right there, because it would have ripped that thing off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, dude, this is nice. I'm telling you, good vinyl, good transfer tape. Hit us up. I want to know what's up.
All right, guys. Carlos wanted to bring something over, something ridiculous. He said he got a new project car. What up, dude? Okay, so you guys gotta see this. You bought the beast?
Yeah.
You got this beast.
New edition.
What's up, G? What is this, bro?
It's the new edition, dog.
He said he got this like for free.
Free, dog.
For free.
So my homeboy, shout out to Caveman, bought it for the heart and soul of it.
Oh, I bought it for the engine.
Yeah. Pulled the motor out of it and called me and said take it. So I was like,
Oh, I can smell the gas.
the gas tank's in the trunk.
That is
Go
hot.
check out the interior, dog.
Dude, the gas is
Stop
killer.
dying. She smells worthy. Look at that, they got the painted.
Dude, they
red.
always do the vents, bro. Why do they always paint the
Look at the
vents?
door panels.
They
dog.
always paint those, bro. The tweeters. Tweeters. Dude, but you guys are free.
Yeah.
It's free, so.
It's free.
Apex exhaust, bro.
Got the title.
Oh, dude, they do the license plate. Oh my gosh,
What's the tail lights, dog? What tail lights?
bro.
The truck.
It has a gas tank in the back, bro. Hey, at least he tried to paint, you know.
Dude, whoever owned this
They had
car
a system
before,
in here, so they had foam. And
Yeah,
Dude, they have
filled it.
foam, bro.
Filled it with foam. They covered the brake lights. Dude, they went.
Dude,
This is another rice cooker and Pink Widow.
dude, it's wide body though.
2000. Yeah, look at
Dude,
it.
yeah. Yeah, they went
That's
hard.
like LJ Garcia right
Bro,
there.
they
That's
went hard.
Look, you got a number. All of them got numbers. This one's 95.
no, that's dude. He's like that's just the octane.
Yeah,
Oh no, that's the
Dude, why? Remember? No. Remember when
95
people?
octane.
Remember when people used to take the stickers from the pumps
Yeah.
and put them on the thing? Like,
Hilarious.
Dude.
Events, dog. What you mean?
do you wanna? What do you wanna do with this, bro?
What do I want to do with it?
Yeah.
I want to get creative.
You wanna get creative?
Yeah, let's just
What do you wanna do with this?
cut her to nothing and make one of those Jersey cars.
Oh my god.
You know what's funny about all these cars?
What?
They all smell the same.
They all have that like.
Old gas.
Dingy
Oh.
old gas smell.
Dude,
yeah.
I'm choking on this thing. I'm like, it don't.
We're cleaning up Las Vegas.
Dude, they
one race at a
always
time.
do this
Yes.
every time.
Yeah, bro. No,
The
but he went
slanted
all out,
one.
Bro. He's got the LEDs.
No, like they always. I don't understand. Like they always do. Like, all right, I'm a slanted.
Truck started that, didn't they? Like the mini trucks on the tailgate.
True.
We're gonna hella put up.
Like, no. Like, I want to know who's like, yo. I don't want it straight though. I want it
Yeah,
cocked.
let's get.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's get a little pizzazz.
Dude, is these? What are this? Oh snaps!
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh, they just put tape on it.
Removables.
Well, it came with it.
Dude, this is like you get it from like Napa or something.
Yeah. Vato zone.
But it's just like there's no type of like adhesion. There's just
No, it's perfect, dude.
just
It's this thing.
This is
So much
this
potential.
is a perfect car to just throw swaps in and just take to the streets. Because if this thing gets towed, guess
We don't
who's getting
care.
it out of the impound? Nobody.
yeah. You're like good. I know. Like
It's gonna end up costing us money because it's gonna.
No,
stay
I
in
mean
the
like
impound.
when they take it, we're like, thank you. We've been trying to.
God, holy moly.
we trying.
So if anybody needs some interior for a coupe or something,
Let us know.
Well, we have, dash. We have a dash. We have panels. We have rear seats, center console, glove box. Yeah.
See, this is what happens when you can't ever sell a car for like 20 years.
it just sat
Back in the days.
to the point where
Dude,
it was only
saving
bought
rice,
because of the
bro.
motor.
That's the new show. That's the
We're saving rice.
saving rice
We're saving rice all over Vegas.
all over Vegas.
Got the tranny back in after Chris's mistake. We
Blowing trannies.
Chris at least put it all back together. He pressed all the gears in and everything. We're gonna go ahead and start her up and go through the gears, see what happens. Hopefully, we got some butter action.
Right?
Here we go. Let's hear this baby one more time.
Ooh, hammy cam.
Oh yeah! Come over here and cross your fingers. Get on over here and cross your fingers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Reverse, baby! Chris did that.
Oh my god, dude. That is so heavy, bro. It revs up so fast. Look at the revs. Look at the revs. Ready? Oh my god, bro. It's gonna be a beast. We're gonna have so much fun. Woo! Hey, ready?
Well, I guess that was my learning experience on how to build a K-Series tranny because
Yeah, built one.
I actually built one.
Had a
But I'm
big
gonna stick to my B's though.
Dude, it feels like a bug.
such your booty. Feels a lot.
It feels like
Yeah.
a brand new trend. We're gonna do what we gotta do.
Don't worry, I get the.
This is the world's first K20, K24 head.
We will. We'll
Right?
dyno it eventually.
Nah,
I don't think we should dyno before the shoot. I think we should just. Get it for
You
you.
got a bug on your face.
How big is the bug, Chris? How big is the bug?
Okay, so this is what Chris did. So you can see it's a. Look, if I spin it, maybe you understand.
The amount of force I put into the
Yeah,
shift.
like
now
you
we-
shift.
Now we know why first gear only shredded the slider is because it didn't hit the slider right.
Thanks for that, Chris.
Sorry.
Thanks for that. It's-
Don't ever use your friends. Don't drive your friends' cars. And if you're gonna drive them like Like, don't drive them like you stole them.
This is his karma for always talking shit about me breaking my trannies. And obviously, he can break a lot more than I can. He's strong. Good job, bro. Hercules over here.
All right, let's go test this car out.
It's a good hand.
Just don't break it like Chris,
No.
and we're good. Just don't break it like Chris, we're good to go.
I'm like a kid in a candy store right now with this load. It sounds like a rotary.
You want to test it?
Huh?
You want to test it?
I'm just gonna drive it around real quick, but I gotta do a test pass.
Sounds good. Transition sounds good.
Yeah. So far,
Somebody
so
put it
good.
together right?
I think so.
How'd it drive?
Good.
Good?
Like butter.
You gonna do it? That's why
Yeah,
it's
tranny's working.
The tranny's working?
We got first again.
Oh, thank you for rebuilding it from your breakage. 25s are good?
Finding the best tire pressure.
Yeah. I want to try leaving not at two-step, just off of a rev, and see if it bogs it down or not. That's kind of like our, because it has to grip for it to bog. If not, it's not going to bog. It's just going to spin.
Okay.
So I'm going to try loading it, but just like
Yeah.
being loaded.
Maybe around 5?
Well, wherever it drops me, it's got to load.
Yeah. Right. Don't worry, it's not. I haven't tuned it on the top end. You know what I mean? As far as it's probably running hella rich on top.
Wants to eat though.
You're hella rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're hella
She
rich.
was, I left at like 45, and
Yeah.
I couldn't even get into it without tire pressure. But this isn't prep, so it's hard to. It's like even
Fall in, right? Fall right in.
here.
What are you at PSI wise?
8.5.
8.5? What was before?
Was I at 10?
Yeah, you were at like 10.5 after the first couple passes. They warmed up.
It's got balls coming out the hole.
I know. It's working.
It loads at like 2,500. My back end's down. It's a lot.
Yeah, the squat's good.
Yeah.
Squat's good.
I can leave without loading, without nothing, and just leave, and it's gonna spin them coming out the hole, just getting into the gas. It'll spin them. All I gotta do is hit the pedal, and it'll go. Watch.
Yeah, we just gotta.
Where'd you get that pipe?
It was part of your intake system.
Oh, where?
The only thing is I gotta get another clamp for this side. Oh yeah, that's perfect, dude. We couldn't have gone any better, actually.
Miranda's gonna work player.
Alright, we got it ready.
She ready. Got ourselves our super induction cone of forced air.
Forced
from
air.
Natural induction. All that, yeah.
Four. That's a little turbo.
Yeah.
That's like half a PSI.
That's right. That's what we got. Got ourselves, I think we might have gone a little bit too big, but we're gonna run it. They're 25s chunkers. You know what I mean?
But
For the
they
haters.
burn them up, bro.
Hey, she spun them. So that was our test. We had 3 different sets. You know, Chris always wants to test every theory. So we had 3 sets of wheels. Tested the biggest ones first, and she spun them in first, second, and third. So I think we'll be okay. As far as interior goes, the key is on.
You know, just in case.
As far as interior goes, basic, same thing it was. We didn't do much to the rear end. We literally slapped the motor in this thing and put some slicks on
And
her.
took
We're
a seat off.
And we took a seat off. Well, you know, we had weight reduction.
Weight
you know
reduction.
What I'm saying? You know what I
You
mean?
know what I'm saying? I took the wiper out.
Shit,
You know what I'm saying? That's a good 8 pounds in that
At
mofo.
least 8.5 pounds. We're gonna do this right here come race day.
Damn.
Bruh. You don't even know, dude.
Why do we need those? You know what
For
I'm
the
saying?
win, you know.
For the somebody.
She's just pretty, man.
She's
Got
good.
the
Good.
Mach 5 number on her.
Oh, No,
wrong.
Mach 5, that's the speed it's gonna go. Vented up, Vader hood.
Y'all ain't ready for this. Anyways, she's ready to go. If you guys follow, you know what we put in her. We're going to the shootout, we're going to whoop them, because that's what we do.
Motor, baby.
Keep up, watch what we do. We're going to post the videos after it's done. You're going to like it. It's going to be fun. It's kind of like the last one we did with the shootouts, you know, the little street money races. And please like, please subscribe, brother. You're going to see it.